Welcome to our YouTube channel Chef Buddy. Please like, share and subscribe.
Now let us make rawa idli. This is also called instant idli. For this we require semolina, suji rava, capsicum and carrot which are finely chopped, salt, curd, chana dal, ginger. This is baking soda. Instead of this you can also take Eno, turmeric, jeera and mustard. Take oil in the pan, about 2 spoons. Now add mustard. Jeera, chana dal, ginger, then capsicum, carrot. Let them fry nicely. Allow 2 minutes to fry. Now add salt 1 spoon. We will add accordingly later when we make batter. And turmeric. You need to add little more turmeric only to get yellow color idlis. Now mix them. Allow them to fry for 2 more minutes. Then we can add semolina, suji. Now add semolina. I took here 2.5 cups semolina. For that I took 1 carrot and 2 small capsicums. Mix now well. Now the mixture looks like this. Let it cool. Let us add other ingredients and make batter. Grease the molds like this with ghee. Now add Eno or baking soda to the batter and mix properly. this batter into the molds which are greased like this. Settle it. It's ready. Now you can put this into the bowl for steaming. Now take water like this and on it before like 5 minutes only. Now put these plates which we do it and place the lid. It will take 12 to 13 minutes to cook. After that, let us check.